Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on numbers and games. In real life, there are plenty of opportunities to play with numbers because of the many board games and other games that are available. Some examples where numbers are used in games are as follows: snakes and ladders. This is a very popular game and gives plenty of opportunities to engage with numbers. Consider the yellow counter on the number 61. So there it is here. This counter here. Okay, that yellow one there. If you roll a single die, what numbers do you need to land on a snake? Now a single die, that's just one. You know that six-sided cube which has the numbers 1 to 6 on it? The reason you call it a die is because it's one. It's not two. If you had two of them, they would be called dice. So the question was, what numbers do you need to land on a snake? So here we are. So we've got 1. So if you throw 1, you land on a snake. 2, 3. And if you throw 3. So 1 or 3 will land you on a snake, and that means you slide down. Consider the red counter on the number 71. What do you need to throw to land at the bottom of the ladder? Okay, so here is the red counter on 71. Now the bottom of the ladder is here. There's only one of them because you're going this way. So you have to throw a 1 to land at the bottom of the ladder. Consider the purple counter on the number 94. That's this one here. There it is. What numbers do you need to roll to avoid the snakes? That is, to miss the snakes altogether. Well, if you roll a 2, a 3, a 5 or a 6, you will miss the snakes. In other words, if you roll a 6, you'll actually win the game. The above chocolate wheel is very popular in clubs. People can buy tickets and win prizes if the arrow lands on their number. When the wheel stops spinning. Question 1. How many single-digit numbers are on the wheel? Answer. The single-digit numbers are 1 to 9, so there are 9 of them. Question 2. What is the sum of the 3 double-digit numbers? Now the wheel only goes up to 12. In other words, the double-digit numbers are 10, 11 and 12. So when you add those up, you get 33. Question 3. How many even numbers are there? Well, if the numbers go from 1 to 12, the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so there are 6 of them. Darts is one of the most popular games in the world. People play it socially, and there are many competitions that take place. Question 1. How many groups of 10 make up the largest number on the board? Now the largest number on the board here is a 20. So the largest number equals 20, which is 2 times 10, which is 2 groups of 10. Question 2. What is the difference between the largest and the smallest number on the board? Well, if the largest number is 20 and the smallest is 1, difference means take away. 20 take away 1, or 20 minus 1 equals 19. Question 3. What is the smallest double-digit number on the board? Now double digits means it's got 2 numbers that make up the actual number. So the smallest one is 10, because the number which is less than 10 is 9, and that's a single digit. So that's the answer. So this video has looked at some board games and has given some exercises to do with numbers.